Today, we will demonstrate a crown profile application that will add elegance to your space, serving as a complementary element to our designs. Are you ready? Let's start making the door with MP-1210. Our first step is to cut our furniture profile to the correct dimensions. We use a 45-degree miter saw to cut the profiles to the appropriate measurements and angles. We have quickly moved on to the assembly phase. While assembling each piece, remember, these profiles not only provide functionality, but also add an aesthetic touch to our designs. The panel, profile, fast adhesive and screwing machine come together. First, apply the fast adhesive to the joint corners and make sure that the corners are fully aligned and connected before bending them. We place the assembled crown profile on top of the cabinet. Then, using a screwing machine, we cut a hole to secure the cabinet and profile together. And that's how quick and easy it is. Here is the door prepared with MP-1210. Remember, functionality and aesthetics can coexist, as you can see, by combining our imagination with a furniture panel and profile. It is possible to create a wonderful cabinet door. This door is no longer just a piece, but has become a work of art, reflecting the spirit of our designs.